Hello, welcome back. We've been doing work on the Discovery, the one we've bought for just to restore and get back on the road. It does need an MOT. As you've seen in the other video, we looked underneath to find out what the chassis was like, and it was really good and did the welding. Now we're doing some stuff on the inside. We're just on the back of the car. I will quickly show you this. This has all been redone. On the front corner there, all the scuff's been painted. All that bit that was smashed up has been smoothed out, welded and sorted out. We didn't do a video on that because we have done a video on welding the bumpers in the past. So if you look through our previous stuff, you will see the plastic welding of these bumpers, and then it's been painted, and then all the trim's been painted as well. So that all looks lovely. But right now we're moving on to the back because these seats, there's an issue with these seats being absolutely filthy, as you can see, and they've got scratches in where stuff's been shoved on top of them and pushed along. And here's one we prepared earlier. Started cleaning that one. Go. What you doing? What is it with a razor blade?
Yeah, it's just a razor blade. You can buy these from any DIY shop. And if you just gently scrape it.
Just taking the wire off and taking the dirt off, any of the fine scratches out. Obviously the deeper ones you'll struggle to get out without going too far.
This one's worn through for some reason. The same place on that one.
Yeah.
I think these are off bikes that have been put in sideways off the tyres. Yeah. But all these marks, everything will come out.
Yeah, and it just cleans the back of it up just when these are folded up, because this is the surface you'll look at when the seats are folded into the sides there. So when you've got somebody looking in the back, you don't want to see this sort of stuff. So that's just a good tip on cleaning them up, scraping that off. We're going to have a look at that as well.
Yeah.
That is absolutely filthy. It looks like he's had water dripping on it, though. That's sort of in this area.
Definitely.
And then it's a bit mouldy there, so it's rare to find one with a parcel shelf, so we may as well clean that parcel shelf up. Bit on the back of the seats as well, and we got to clean the interior, but the headline has been done, as you can see. So that's all looking lovely. That's one of the better ones because it's one of the green ones. And then there's just all the handles and things to clean up. This seat here doesn't actually fold out, so it folds out but it doesn't fold back.
No, the seat don't come on.
So we're gonna have a look at that, and we'll do a little video on taking the back of that off and having a look and seeing what's, obviously that's how it should work, but we'll do a little video on that as well. So keep watching for more stuff. It's filming.
Oh, okay. Is it filming me or filming now?
Filming you.
Okay, right. We've been having some problems with these seats in the Discovery. I'll just turn the camera around 1 second. Right, as you can see, when this seat drops down, this back should come up quite easy and lock into place. This one wasn't coming up, and I'm going to show you what had happened. Let me just put this one back down, pull the lever, put that back down. Right, first of all, what you need to do is remove the back. Quite simple, quite easy to do. All it does is clips in with these pegs into these sponges, and if you use one of these tools, what you can do is just put it underneath and prise it out.
That's it.
Right, as I was saying, this is the back. We've got the back off. It clips in with just these little things that clip into there. They just press in. I've got them off by using this tool. Just put it underneath the back, starting at the top, prise them off one at a time, and then just pop the back off. Okay, so then I found out I couldn't actually see much going on there. So what I've had to do is take this panel off the side here. Quite easy. It just clips on there. All you have to do is take out one posi drive screw. Then you need to just, this is the lever. All you do, put a screwdriver or that same tool as you've got the back off with, and prise that off. It just pushes on, and then this plastic cover just clips off. So once I got that off, I still couldn't find out what was happening. This particular mechanism would not move, it just clicked and the back wouldn't come up. So after much searching around. I don't know if I'm going to, this is going to be a bit difficult to film because it's on the opposite side of the seat, and it is there. I hope you can see this. It's a bit difficult upside down, but there's a small square pin there, a sprocket, and that this bracket here, let's see if I can move this on the other side. As you turn that, that comes down, and as you can see now, it's going past that square pin. Well, that pin had moved over somehow. It had moved over here, and it was jammed underneath there. So this wouldn't allow that to go past. All I've done is put this tool in here, just prised it back a little bit, so as it clears, and then we can now go all the way back with it. I've no idea how that actually happened, because it was done when we got the vehicle, but once that's cleared and done, voila, the back comes up, locks into place, all good. So all I need to do now is put this side back on, positive drive screw, put the lever on there, the cover, and on the other side it's literally just one positive drive screw holds that on, and then clip that off. So that was the problem with this seat, not being able to lift it up. There is another thing that happens to these seats, and that's when you come to lift the seat up to put it back into its position. Normally you turn it and it pulls this cord here, which releases the clip down there. This breaks off inside. I'm going to show you this later on when I can get it out, but as you can see that down there, that spring, you turn this, it's supposed to pull this cord, that lifts that bracket up there and releases the seat. But these are known for breaking. So I have done one of these before, but it's been a while ago and I didn't film it. So what I'm going to do is this time find out what it was exactly. I think I had to make a new bracket or something, because it is a plastic one and it's snapped off. But we'll come back to you on that as soon as I can find out what the problem was. So I hope that seat remedies any problems that you've got with that, and like and subscribe please. Thank you very much. Bye.